ourselves. Broomy, the broom, he sweeps the floor. Sweep, 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 and then some more. Dusty, the duster, she cleans the shelf, wiping here and there all by herself. Cleanup crew, let's go, let's play, cleaning up the mess today. Put your toys back where they belong. Cleanup crew, sing along. Tidy the toys one by one, putting them away, it's so much fun. The blocks go here, the cars go there, a neat and tidy room to share. Wipe the table, clean the chair, dusting the corners everywhere. Broomy sweeps and Dusty dusts, cleanup is a team's must. Cleanup crew, let's go, let's play, cleaning up the mess today. Put your toys back where they belong. Cleanup crew, sing along. Pick up the paper, throw it away. Let's clean up together and make it okay. Rugs all straight, shoes in line, everything's looking mighty fine. Now the room is sparkling bright, the cleanup crew did it right. Thank you, Broomy, thank you, Dusty, too, for helping us clean and have fun. Woo!